guys, welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. Today I will be setting up my bullet journal for January 2021. Now I've been bullet journaling for a few years now, and when I first started I was using the Leuchtturm 1917 notebooks, which were all the rage. If you were into bullet journaling a couple years ago, that was like the must-have notebook. So I don't really like the quality of the Leuchtturm notebooks. The paper is just way too thin, it transfers, it bleeds through, it ghosts, it's not that great. I've been using the Limoam journals. This is actually my second Limoam journal. This one is the cork one. It is awesome. Now I do have a video on my channel from a long time ago of me doing kind of like a compare and contrast between the Leuchtturm and the Limoam, but check that out if you are into bullet journaling or if you're wanting to get into it. Now when I first started bullet journaling, I was like addicted to it. I was doing it every single day. Then I kind of tapered off and then I kind of pick it back up. So the last spread I did in here was actually July. So this was the spread for the beginning of 2020. We all know how that has been going so far. We'll cover this fitness tracker over here so you guys can't totally see my lack of progress. But it's kind of a fun idea. And then a garden plan. I love this spread, but it just wasn't ideal. I had so many different things going on. It was just better for me to have it digitally. Are there any other spreads I could show you? This is the February spread if you're looking for a little bit more inspiration on what to exactly do. But all right, so let's just hop on over to the dining room table and I'm gonna go ahead and just do my January setup so I can pre-plan, get it going. Now I'm not doing a whole like 2021 goals and reading list and all that jazz. I'm kind of over it right now. So we are just keeping it simple, doing it very minimalist. I'm just keeping it to the basics. I am doing a habit tracker spread and I will be doing a meal planning, like a monthly calendar. I think that would help me. I honestly go to the grocery store like once a month. I do live in New York. The area that I live in has a little bit more of the virus active, so I just like to not be out as much as possible. So I'll go, if I do have to go out, I go out one day, I hit all the stores I need to do, and then I'm home for like the month. So wow, 2020. All right, so let's hop on over to the dining room table and set up January 2021. Supplies are very simple, just a little ruler, a black pen, and like 0.5. This is a 0.3 pen, super small for details. Just a gray marker. This is a Tombow N89, I think. Whatever gray, light gray marker will work. You don't even need it. And then a pencil and an eraser. And then something round. I'll show you what that's for in just a second. Now I am just making a little tiny monthly calendar up at the top. So here's what the round thing is for. We're just making like a half moony type of shape. And then we're going to put our design in the middle. Now I'm just doing this kind of like abstract mountain design that's going to have some trees on the bottom. Very easy. I got this idea off Pinterest and I can link those inspiration images below. And now I'm just going in with that 0.3 pen. You can honestly just use the same pen. This is just a little bit finer to make some like hatching marks for the shadows of the mountains. And now we're just making some trees at the bottom. Simple trees, you can do them however you want to do them. I'm just making a line in the middle and then some swooshies on the left and some swooshies on the right. We are not going to outline the half moon circle. We will be erasing that pencil mark. Just writing the word January on the bottom in my best calligraphy cursive I can, and it kind of sucks. I'm way out of practice. And then this next page is going to be my monthly goals. I break it up into 4 different sections. You can break it up into whatever works for your life. And then I'm just adding some cute little whimsical stars on the left, like plus signs, regular little stars, like the hollow stars. And we're adding a cute little moon. Now here comes the habit tracker. I'm just making like a little grid with all of the days of the month. And then up at top, you can put whatever it is that you are tracking. And on the right, this is going to be my monthly overview for meal planning. So each individual square, you can write out whatever it is that you want to do. You can make little tiny sticky notes and then move them around if that's what you want to do. That's kind of a cute idea. And then erase all of your pencil marks so it looks nice and clean. And then on your habit tracker, you can track whatever it is that you want to track. I'm trying to be more mindful and healthy this coming year. So meditating, reading, yoga, exercise, hydrating, the number of nights I'm drinking. Oh, let's not talk about that. And then for the weekly spread, it is just very simple. I have stuck with this template for quite some time. It is the best one that works out for me, but change it up and do what you want to do. But this is just very simple and easy. And this part is optional. I mean, obviously all of this is optional, but I'm just taking a very light gray marker and kind of just doing a little bit of drop shadow inside of the days of the week. And then around the calendar, just to give a little bit more depth, filling in my moon. And here we have it, a nice little simple January bullet journal spread that can help you track all the things you want to track, help you meal plan, and live your best organized life. Okay, guys, thank you for spending day 11 with me, and I will see you tomorrow for the final day of Vlogmas. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.